What's up, guys? It's Vlogging with George. Just thought I'd come by and say what's up and see how everybody's doing. You know, send me some good times to my good fans out there who love me for me being me. I'm the coolest guy in the world, of course. You know, especially the coolest guy at Kroger. You know, the place that I work, and I love it. Yeah. So anyways, today was a very interesting day, you know. Got insulted by a customer, which of course, you know, they got taken care of. But yeah, pretty much today was a really good day. Even though it was kind of a busy day, you know, getting close to Thanksgiving and so forth. But anyways, just thought I'd, you know, let everybody know what happened today and so forth. So anyways, you know, I come in and I thought I was going to have a crappy day. Went to my customer first meeting, of course, you know, got to learn interesting things. Won a $10 gift card. Hey, can't beat that, of course. And then, you know, I was going and doing my thing at work, you know, cutting meat and taking care of my customers and stuff, which is why I love my job, of course. But anyways, my manager comes back to there where I was cutting chuck roast, and he decided, you know, to inform me that, you know, I was getting a Thanksgiving box, even though I didn't ask for one, and I was just kind of like, it shocked the crap out of me. I wasn't expecting it. So, you know, hey, nothing wrong with getting free food. You know, it just, you know, it's good that, you know, people show that, you know, they're appreciative of what you do and everything. And I really do appreciate them. I'm glad to be appreciated by, you know, my managers and my co-workers. I consider them my family and my friends, and I really do love my job a whole lot, and I'm forever grateful. You know, Thanksgiving, you know, a lot of people don't have have food and have, you know, a warm place to sleep or nothing like that. Even though I have a job and I could pay for my own stuff, it does, you know, make me feel very appreciative and very thankful for, you know, them pretty much, you know, letting me have a Thanksgiving box. You know, hey, I got eggs and I got a ham, got bread, rolls, got butter. I was like, and, you know, vegetables and gravy, and I was like, well, I told my manager, I was like, hey man, won't you just give it to somebody else that needs it? I was like, I care less if I get anything, but he was very insistent. And, you know, and whenever somebody's insistent and they offer stuff, don't ever turn it down, because then they would get offended. I wasn't offended that, you know, they thought of me. I was very appreciative. I was just, you know, shocked. That's all. Because I didn't mention nothing about wanting anything. And, you know, I'm usually a pretty nice guy at work, and everybody knows who I am, and the customers love me to death, and everybody's just like, hey, where's George at? George is the man. George knows everything about where everything's at. George has always got a smile on his face, always willing to help, and goes above and beyond. That's why I am good at what I do, and that's why I'm glad to be a people person. But anyways, you know, if you want to, man, just somebody please leave a comment. Let me know how your Thanksgiving is going to be, whether or not, you know, you helped somebody, whether somebody helped you, or anything like that. But anyways, Vlogging with George is almost over. So don't forget, guys, you know, hit that like, subscribe, favorite, you know, leave me a comment, you know, send me a fan mail if you want to. It's whatever you want to do. And I love you guys, and thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for believing in me. And have a Merry, Merry Thanksgiving. And a Merry Christmas as well, of course. And my birthday's coming up. LOL. Anyways, rocking out.